TestNG annotation is data that have a special meaning for a Java method. Our execution flow depends on the annotations. We will look at the TestNG XML file to understand the execution flow for a suite, test, class, and method. In the IDE, we will look at the TestNG package for the directory of annotations. There are many annotations, but we will focus on the test annotation and configuration annotations. The test annotation identifies our test method. A configuration annotation always starts with before or after. They are called configuration annotations because each annotation performs an event before our test and after our test. For a reference AUT, we will use Selenium Playground from Lambda Test. Our mark test is date pickers, and list box. Bootstrap date picker, jQuery date picker, Bootstrap list box, and jQuery list box.